Okay, folks, we're at it again. Very hot down here in South Florida, 96 degrees. It's like being inside an oven, but that's okay. I'm here for you. I don't mind. I do it for you. And that guy's beeping over there, making a lot of noise. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. I'm cool. Anyway, we're here at a place called Nino's Restaurant and Pizzeria. They're located at 13900 South Jog Road in Delray Beach. We've been here before. They make an excellent slice of pizza. I've heard that their consistency is very, very good across the board. They're always busy, and they deliver to the surrounding area. They've been here for quite some time. They have more than one location. We're here today to do a meatball review. That's why we're back. Let's take a look at their meatballs. Two nicely sized meatballs. Already we know these are, yes, drop-in meatballs. We know the difference. They're not sauteed first. They're actually cooked all the way in the sauce. And as I always tell you, what I'm looking for is a moist meatball. I'm looking for this cheap plastic fork to cut right through the meatball on its own without any assistance from a knife. That should work out. Before I get started, I need you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. It'll remind you each and every time there's a new review. That helps me to keep bringing you these reviews, guys. I hope you like them. Please comment in the comment section below. Let me know where you'd like me to go to. Let's start here. Okay, very good sign. The fork went right through it like a hot knife through butter. Nice. Look at the ingredients in there. You can see the garlic. You can see the parsley. You can see the breadcrumbs. I'm going to cut it the rest of the way with the knife just to get a smaller cut. I like the color of the sauce. Let's give it a taste. Beautifully seasoned. I'm going to add a little snippet of what I gave them on their pizza so you can see the consistency is now coming across the board. I'll bet everything there in there that they make is good. One more bite. Okay. So, as I always say, I can see where this is going, guys. The sauce, very good. The meatball, very well made drop-in meatball. Definitely not a frozen meatball. You could just tell by the texture that this was made fresh today, and I really like it. It's very, very good. Now, guys, I had someone comment once on my channel, a fellow Italian whose mom was born in Italy also, and who also grew up with a great cook as a mom like I did. He was very insulted by the fact that I said that I had God-given taste buds and that being Italian makes a difference. I'm sorry, my friend, that you were offended by that, but the truth is that that is a fact. If I walk into a Japanese restaurant for sushi, I want to see a Japanese person making my sushi. Why? Because it's authentic. They know what they're doing. They were born and raised in that environment. Same goes to any nationality of food. I want to see the original people cooking that original food. I, as a real Italian, mom and dad born in Calabria, Italy, were raised with this food. I was raised with it. I saw it being made with the cheapest possible ingredients and still made to taste good because we couldn't afford it. We were so poor. And I know the difference. As I grew up, I was able to afford better and better quality. So I've seen the very worst. I've seen the very best. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. I like this meatball. I'm going to give Nino's a 7-8 on their meatball. That's right, a 7-8 on their meatball. That's a real meatball review by a real Italian, authentic Italian. 7-8, Nino's, Delray Beach.